The question you ask, my boss, President Uhuru Kenyatta, is a Democrat. I don't think President Uhuru Kenyatta has told anybody that he wants his term extended. So where are these people finding all this? I would dare ask, ulisikia wapi ati Rais Uhuru Kenyatta anataka term yake isongeshwe? Wewe ambaye unatupatia hiyo story, ulisikia wapi? This other report has not come out. So why would anybody want any Kenyan to support a document that they have not seen? Why is there a lot of drama to push for a document that Kenyans have not read? What is in it? Why are we being told about, I don't know, this term will be extended, another layer of government? Why? And why the blackmail? Why the threats? Why the push?